Hello everyone, welcome to yet another Scratch tutorial. Today we're going to be adding different blocks to our Minecraft game. So let's start off by adding our new blocks. Let's go to costumes and let's go to upload costume. I'll be selecting these new blocks. If you don't know where the link is, just click the link in the description and you should be able to download these blocks. So I'm going to be selecting stone, iron, deep slate, and coal. Let's press open and you'll see I added these in here. I'm just going to put these near the top just so it's organized and I can see them. So the new blocks we added are stone, coal, deep slate, and iron. Let's go back to our code. And we're going to be making a variable. Let's call this y for this sprite only. And let's press OK. I'm going to hide this variable. Now let's go to our create world block. And right here is where we're going to be switching between the blocks. Let's make a new block called world generation. And let's run without screen refresh and let's press OK. So I'm going to put this right next to create world. And before we create a block at, let's drag out world generation. And a world generation block will be needing to do a couple of things. First, we need to change y by 1. And I'll be using a pick random 1 to 10 block. And I'll change it to pick random 1 to 2. Next, we need to detect if y is less than 5. And if it is, let's set block to deep slates. Now, let's detect if y is less than 8. And if it is, let's switch block to stone. Now let's go back to our create world block. And over here we'll need to set y to 1 before the start of the repeat loop. And then after the repeat loop, we'll right click on the create block, press duplicate. And I'm just going to move this down. So before we change x by 32, let's create the block at, and then let's set block to grass. And then after all this code has been run, let's switch block to none. Let's go down to our when I start as a clone. Let's see if I can find it. Here we go. And make sure you remove the set block to grass. I already removed that, so I'm good to go. Okay, and one last fix before we press the green flag. Let's change our if y is less than 8, let's put this above if y is less than 5. So we check if y is less than 8 first, and then if y is less than 5, just so it's in order. Alright, let's test our game. So you'll see right away that we have some deep slate and we have stone, and then all the way at the top of the terrain we have some grass. Awesome. So now I don't know about you, but I would like to add some iron and maybe some coal even into our terrain so we can start mining it. That's pretty easy. Let's go back to our world generation block and we can use a pick random block. Let's detect if pick random 1 to 10 is equal to 5. So if we choose 5 out of 10, when we need to set block to coal. And what about iron? Well, iron is probably going to show up less than coal. Let's duplicate this and let's change the chances from 1 to 10 to 1 to 20. And then let's set block to iron. Alright, let's press the green flag. Boom, you'll see some coal showing up, some iron, and you'll see that the coal shows up a lot more than the iron. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. Make sure you smash the like and subscribe button for more tutorials like these, and I hope to see you in episode 6.